Hello everyone, I would like to show you my recent project, the Airsoft Paintball Bomb 1 replica. With this device you can add 3 different game types of play to your normal Airsoft or Paintball game. In this example I'm using a normal 9.6 volt battery to power up the system. After power up, you can find the 3 game menus: bomb button, bomb wires, domination, and one configuration menu. Inside the configuration menu, you can choose either to have backlight on the LCD or not. You can change the brightness of the LCD. You can choose to have LCD effects during gameplay. You can choose to have sounds on the keys and sounds during gameplay. You can choose to enable this external output in order for you to connect one siren or horn for a minimum of 1 second to a max of 5 seconds, and a max of 5 repetitions to a minimum of 1 repetition. So I will not use this option for now. And finally you can store all the defined values before. Back to the main menu. Before starting each one of the games you need to define certain parameters. The first one is the duration of the gameplay. You can choose a minimum of 1 minute to a max of 99 hours. So for the example I put 5 minutes. After this you need to define the activation time. So this is the time that the green button needs to be pressed to activate the bomb. This can be 0 seconds or a max of 1 minute and 30. So I put 2 seconds. The same thing for the defusing time, or in this case you need to press the red in order to defuse. So 2 seconds. The bomb set time, so this is the time that you have to defuse the bomb, so 1 minute for the example. And you can also choose an auto-arm time, that the bomb will self-arm with time and there is no need to press the green button, but for now we are not going to use this. And finally you can add one delay time for the game to start. So for instance 7 seconds, green and red to start, and the countdown will start for the game to start. As you can see in the display show the remaining game time play. By pressing the green you can activate the bomb. If you release it before the defined time it will not activate. So, and after activated now we have 1 minute to disarm. And the same thing, if you release it, you will not arm. And if you leave it pressed during the defined time, you will deactivate the bomb. You can choose now to do the same game with all the defined values, or you simply can go back to the main menu and start all over again. Okay, the next one is bomb wires, and it has the same definitions as before. The only difference now is, in order for you to disarm the bomb you need to cut one of these 4 wires. So game time play, so I put again 5 minutes. You can choose to have an auto-arm time for the green button, and now you have to select the wires to cut. So in this case I will select the 4. 1 minute to diffuse. Now to arm time at the 4th minute, and the game will start immediately. So in order to arm, I can press the green button, and for the diffusing I need to cut 4th wire. So back again, I will start the game with the same configuration, start immediately, and if you record, we defined an auto arm time at the 4 minute. So let's wait to see what happened at the 4 minutes. And bomb is active, and now we have 1 minute to diffuse, and this time I will cut wire 3. So the bomb was failed to diffuse. By pressing red, we will return to the main menu, and finally we have Domination game. This is very simple to configure. You just need to define the game time direction and the startup time. So we'll start immediately. And now on this game, by pressing the green button, you enable the green button team counter. And by pressing the red button, you enable the red team counter. And every time that the green is pressed, it starts the time of the green, and every time that the red is pressed, it will start the time of the red team. The team that has more time of possession of the device will win the game. Let's see, 15 seconds, 27. So, and in the end, the team that won the challenge will appear on the screen. And you can return to the main menu again. So, these are the basic functions of the bomb wire device. I hope that you liked the video. If you have any comment or suggestions, you can leave it below, or you can contact me in my email address or through my Facebook page. I hope that you like it, and we see us next time for more projects.